Oh shoot. I just deleted my chat. Um oh no, man, I don't have time for this. I don't know where the chat went. Oh, docs, chat. What's up, Razib? What's up, brother? Oh, okay, there it is. Fixed it. All right, let's put up the overlay. Okay, so we're back. It's Monday. We're looking to catch a winning nice week, a nice trading week this week. um, that after. Okay, what do we got here? So on Friday, oh, sorry. 10 minutes here to figure out what's going on. So on Thursday, we retook all-time highs, closed below. We should be stay low. What could I expect today? Yeah, we could start working again towards all-time highs off that fair value gap. Possible. We could retrace a little bit lower. It's also possible. So a little tough, right? The dealing range, high and low. We're in a pretty deep premium, but we've definitely been really bullish so far. So let's look at the hourly. Oh, nice consolidation through Asia. Could probably find some nice 2-hour setups today. Let's see what we got. I'd expect our price to go higher. Huge. Well, was there 8:30 news? What's going on? I already logged into TraderVate. I gotta check for news. Overall, I think we're still bullish, but we could go lower before we go higher. So check for news. No, no news. I guess 8:30. We just had a nice move. 5 days, 7:30. We've already taken high and low. This could be like search and destroy conditions again. Seek and destroy, whatever. In which case, we're going to be using midnight opening price very strictly. I'm only going to take longs or shorts above. After seeing this, we got ran, came out, took the low. I'd expect it to come back into the high or at least 50%. So as of right now, I'm bullish. Especially came off this nice fair value gap here. there a 4-hour fair value gap there? Probably not. Oh, there is. So we're inside of a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. We've already taken that low. Yeah, looks not bad. Like we could potentially go up for those highs now. It is a Monday, but what the hell is this? I'll draw the fair value gap like that. These 15-minute down close candles are an order block. 2 down close candles. Let's see. We also have this candle. We didn't trade back into. So let's see if we can get some longs. I might have to flip my bias after, but we'll stay focused on longs for now. ES just does not look as good right now. So we're interested in longs. So these 3 down close candles. Simple. It's simple as that. See if we can come down into here maybe as well. Overall, I feel like we will take out this high sometime today. I'm not gonna take profits at that high. I'm looking for a quick 2-to-1. What's up, Mask? I'm looking for a quick 2-to-1 scalp. I'm not expecting that much movement. Oh, Fed chair spoke yesterday. That's why there was movement. Okay. Um, PMI, not bad. Not bad. So we're going lower like we wanted it to. What about your GPP? Are they according to plan? So far, yeah. I actually did enter shorts. Pretty aggressive entry, but I will show you if you're interested. I'll show you the shorts. So I entered. So this is what I expected. Something like this. Here, let me open up another tab. Make this better. So I caught these longs on USD GPY. I just closed my. Actually, I think I'm still in. I have my stop loss trailed up to like right here or something, and I'm targeting these highs. So that's just GPY, but for GBP, so I was waiting. Let's look at the weekly fair value gap. This is what I was looking at. So the weekly fair value gap on GPY, and then we also took out this high. So on the hourly, I'm looking at that. Let me do this. I'm expecting a retracement or at least a reversal, either or. I'm expecting lower prices. So you can see that candle right there, this candle right here. That's your order block. Those two candles. So yeah, we're pretty choppy right now. I mean, it's expected the time frame, but you can see we have the order block there and we have the fair value gap that formed. And I didn't enter right away. What I did was I entered as soon as we put in a lower high right here. So you see this? See this lower high right here? I don't know if it's a SMT with euro. Yeah, it is. So even better. Um, SMT with euro right here. So I as soon as I saw this, it was I entered like this morning somewhere, just market order, expecting lower prices. If it comes out and stops me, I'll look for a re-entry, right? And then we'll go from there. But so far it's pretty choppy. But we'll see if we can get a move lower. It's just too choppy right now. But it looks good. And I'm looking to take profits here. These lows is where I'm looking to take profits. Yeah, this is your this is another order block that you could use. So GBP is not bad. See if we get movement today. Anyway, so it looks like we're going lower, filling up that gap. See if we can come into here. If you have any questions, you'll feel free to ask. I'll analyze anything, and I'll give you my personal opinions is the best I can do. Um, if you have any questions, feel free. As long as I'm not currently like about to put an execution a trade on. Okay, let's try to pass these fundeds and let's try to make some money on my funded. We're at 9:30 now. I will go over to here. Okay. Okay. So pretty much everything in my you trade ZAL USD. I've never put a trade on ZAL USD, you know. Stay on the 1 minute here. So this honestly could potentially be the reversal point, but I'm gonna wait. Um, it's just way too early. See how we took this high. Let's see if we take that, use that to go lower. Go lower where? Maybe over here. It's a lot of, is that a lot of movement? 30 points. Let's see if we create a fair value gap off that. If so, honestly, I would probably take this just right at the open. Checks off all the boxes. Asia lows. 5 minutes to be reversal point. You talking about this? Yeah, it could definitely reverse from here, is what I'm saying. It definitely could be. I'm bullish, but now this move Pretty extreme. We're already above midnight opening now. Could just be targeting the high of day. We've already went up into this 15-minute fair value gap. At this point, um, this could just be a retracement now into OTE. But where would we even go lower? I'd have, if I'm gonna take shorts, I feel like this high needs to be taken, high of day, and then we see like a nice push lower. So this just got a lot more complicated because initially I wanted it to go a bit lower, but like this is just one side expansion. I cannot enter on a move like this. So let's see. Inside the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, above midnight opening. This is qualifications of a Judas swing. Your lower distance liquidity one would be right here up until this point. So like we're gonna have a huge SMT at the highs. Yes, inside of a bearish fair value gap. Listen, if YM, if they're not in sync at all, right now they're both going up. So yeah, there's SMT potentially forming, but at least they're both going up. If YM is going lower, yeah, see, YM is going lower. These are very low probability conditions. 930 went up and it's just been going lower since. So honestly, this is just looking like a potential short setup at this point. Just search and destroy conditions like low taken, high taken, low taken, high taken. Now I'm going back for 50% or low. What should I make a tutorial of? Okay, high of day just got taken. We can look for potential turtle soup here. That went high. Yeah, that's it. Like that's the high of day right there. New high of day. We're in short territory. We're in short territory. London high reversal. It looks like it's search and destroy profile right now. But let's see. Whatever it is, I'm gonna be taking my profits early. What the hell? Let's see if we can get a potential close back below. Okay, just saying delivery. So turtle soup reversal model is what my turtle soup reversal model that I'm looking for right here. We can get a change in same delivery right here. I'd be happy taking shorts, at least entering retracement. Still tradable? Yeah, tradable for sure. Especially if you're scalping. That's a very bullish price swing though. Oh, what the fuck? What the hell was that? Well, I just made $12. I think I'm done for the day. How did I just place an order by accident like that? How did that happen? Anyways, whatever. As soon as we get it closed below. Dude, that actually happens quite a bit. And it's actually frustrating. Like, happens to you too, so it's not just me, that's good. BS is the SMT is there. I just wanted to mark out 50% of that price move. So I know. Oh, 50% just went up. At this point, I'm just gonna mark out this fair value gap. Alright, I don't even need this anymore. So we're in a deep, deep premium for the day. Are we really just gonna expand from here to all-time highs? The ES gave an entry there. See if GBP is going lower. Yeah, it is. It's pretty good. Someone turtle swooped at 930 low. Oh my god, that would have been crazy, bro. Wait, you saying someone did? Cause that's a crazy entry if you're taking that. What makes you think that like it's not gonna? That's crazy, bro. That had to be like either so well back tested where you just like know the chances of that playing out, or that's just a fucking gamble, bro. You're telling me that 3 ticks was enough manipulation? SMT with London High, yeah. It's not London High though, isn't it? Isn't it just? It was just 740. But yeah, SMT at the highs. You're waiting for an inversion? Yeah, same. It's pretty much same. I'm waiting for a the change of state delivery at the candle that took the high. For this candle right here. That's just me. But that would also cause an inversion and a market structure shift. So it would kind of just kind of plays out that way. So I'll note this up. Why not? Whoa, what just happened? I know ES is weaker, but bro, I don't like trading ES, bro. Bro, who turtle soup that short? That's crazy. Monday bomb? Good for them, bro. Because that's crazy for me. Oh, there it is. So uh not the best. We did form a fair value gap though, so I'll enter off that instead. He just trades soups like whoa, 1 minute turtle soup and then like just aiming 20 RR every time. This fair value gap can form. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let's get an inversion here. We're trying to pick the top, which isn't the best thing to do, but it's a week. I will not be taking this if it's this week. Also, bro, what the hell is going on with Top Step X? Why does it look like this? There is a fair value gap there. You could trade it if you wanted to. I'm not gonna trade it. I'll be taking a trade like that. Okay, I fixed my top step X. Do you think the range is big enough to catch a continuation? If you're bullish and you think it goes into OTE, like you can get a long from here maybe. Aim for all-time highs. I don't know if we're hitting all-time highs today. It's possible. The market definitely just did displace. I'm just not comfortable taking longs. Oh, for shorts. Even like if it starts going down, will it give you an entry on the way back? Probably not. The answer to your question is no, I don't think so. But I didn't enter shorts there yet, so let's see. Yeah, but this is more than a 1 hour order block. This is, I mean, it's kind of confusing. The candle that's interesting to me is this one, but really it's all of these. That's a liquidity void. So let's see. We traded right back into that liquidity void. Holy, nice equal highs right there. Interesting. If we can get an inversion, yeah, I'm in. We need a nice break. Maybe the macro is starting. The pieces are starting to come together. By the way, ES is like pretty bearish still, which I guess is like, bro. Times like this, SMT kind of screws me because like, is this SMT indication of going lower, or is this SMT indication that the markets are gonna sync up and go higher together? You know, like that should messes me up, bro. That's why context is so important. I mean, the bullish signs are not bad, but let's see if we can get a full out reversal here. What did I mark here? What is that? Regardless, I'm not taking long from right here. So the best thing that we could do right now is sweep this high and then break lower. Invert this, and I will take a nice short. That's the best thing that we can do. And if it happens around 950 as well, I'm taking my money. Start off this week strong. I need it, to be honest. I don't want to mark too many things, but yeah, we can leave it like that. Nice rejection right there. If we get the inversion, I'm going. I'll probably just market order that shit as soon as we see like signs of inversion. Let's see. So far it's coming together, but if we got another SMT right here too, I mean, it didn't form actually, so I don't want to see the next candle go higher as well. I don't like that because like I want to see like an indication that like it doesn't need to go higher at this point. What is it even if it's going higher at this point, then I don't know, 50% of that wick, 50% of the liquidity void. ICT's talked about it before, but that's a nice body forming. I think I'm gonna like this reaction. What the hell is ES doing? Is ES lagging, bro? It looks like it's not even moving. I need confirmation. I need like, bro, if it can create a fair value gap and break this low and inverse this all at the same time, gold. The weak candle though. That candle just flipped. That's not good. Might go up for the high again. If you're treating this like an order block, you could. I like that. I'm gonna be patient. I was gonna mark it right there because ES was going higher and he was going lower. But I don't want to take a, what's it called? I don't want to take a, what's it called when you like go aggressive entry. But I like that. I really do like that. We should inverse this now in the next candle. Hopefully we don't just chop around here. It does not need to go up higher at this point. If it starts going up higher, I'm gonna start second guessing some things. Almost 950. Yeah, I'm looking at that too. We've already created a like this now potentially long-term high of day, maybe. ES is making higher highs and Q showing weakness. Look at the dollar index quickly. And dollar index looks like it has room to go higher as well. Off the 1 hour, maybe. So it's not as clear, but I don't want to take that high out. Yeah, it's not nice. Not a nice reaction. Let's see what happens. Just very bullish, I guess. Might just be wrong. I don't know. Let's see if this 15-minute fair value gap can do anything. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go smaller. Very, very bullish. At this point, taking a short is I almost want to say scary. Like now, this is questioning like what makes more sense, reversing now or reaching for all-time highs? And if you ask me, where's the Sibi? Oh, 50-minute. Yeah, I marked it too, but we're poking really far through. At this point, it almost makes more sense to have a reach for all-time highs. Unless we get a sharp, and I need sharp displacement lower now. Invert this. There's no SMT at the highs anymore, right? So this is tough now. But we went literally above the 950, bro. It's Problemente. It's Problemente, bro. Too bullish. You know, this could frame the manipulation for the week, though. If we take all-time highs on Monday, I feel like I would be very, very bearish through the rest of the days. All right. You already know the wick method. All right. Hold on. Let me get precise with this. So yeah, we didn't reach 50%. Close though. Probably goes for ERL, and we could look for sales up to IRL. Yeah. ERL's. Yeah, you're right about that. at this point, that's what makes most sense instead of just now a reversal that like can't really be predicted. Unless we did we trade above? We did. Listen, so we did trade above the body high. So this could potentially be a failure swing, kind of like that thing we talked about, Poggy. But yeah, again, this is not that clear. I'll tell you what though. See the dollar index going lower? Maybe the dollar wants to reach into here. And then from there, we can frame the reversal on NQ. Let's see. Yeah, at this point, all-time highs, we're right there. 950 to 1010 delivered. Time for FOMO longs till all-time highs. You good. Only thing that scares me is we're already trading above the wick high. Um, on the daily. But yeah, I mean, at this point, yeah, no, we've already blasted through. It's a crazy market. This is man, all-time highs territory is shit. It's just shit. It's gonna be a tough week maybe, but bro, why are we all-time highs and my stock is going down? All right, let's see what we do. Someone needs to default this shit. What do you mean default? Or reset. That's fine. We will have potential SMT there. Nah, we won't. I'm talking about the second I enter a long, the shit reverses. I've been there. But this could frame the manipulation for the rest of the week. For for sure. Now look at this weekly candle. We haven't even traded below the weekly open yet. You tell me either we're so bullish that this week is just a manipulated expansion in a buy program, or this weekly candle is flipping. The second we start trading, like we show like a 4-hour change chain delivery or something, that this weekly candle is flipping, bro. That's all I'm saying. Leave it at that. That's my opinion. Dollar index still going lower. I want to see dollar index come into this imbalance. Where's GBP? What's it doing? I've seen better reactions, but I'm not worried about that. All right. Could just be the push right here. 15 points. These are tough conditions. We're almost there, all-time highs. So I vacuum my room like every day, and somehow it just always gets like messy again, like dirty. Like I mean I know why. It's because I always eat in here, and then I drop crumbs. But like, damn, bro, I'm tired of vacuuming. All right, I need to get one of those like automatic vacuum cleaners. Bro, my room gets so dusty too, and I don't even know what to do about it. Like, what do I do about that? That's not up to me. Like, who am I to control the dust? Nah, I feel you on that. Would I short all-time high? I don't even know if I would. That's kind of just gambling. Like just trying to pick the top. Maybe if we get like a really nice reaction. But like it's definitely scary. I would need like a really nice reaction. I file. I'm playing Heyday right now. Or do you buy this propulsion block? Order block that led to another order block? Yeah, I did just get wrecked. It's interesting. It's nice that you noticed that. I mean, on the 2 minute, we're tracing to the original order block in the fair value gap. Not in a market like this. The propulsion block is super, super strong. Like, let me see if there's one here. Like, this up close candle, uh, it's kind of fucking choppy as shit. Maybe there's one on the 4 hour. Like, for example, if this one got displaced over, it's really good on the higher time. I mean, it's also good for entries too, to be honest. Especially if you miss an entry. Okay, we all know this is gonna come higher, so if it could just do so. 2022 model. Nah, this is. Oh man, 1635, not bad. Yeah, I'd almost enter a short here. It would be nice. I'm gonna tell you, like, I feel like we think the same thing, and I have to like remind myself is like it's so hard to pick the top. Like it's insanely hard to try and pick the top. But you know what ICT said? 3 failed PD arrays, so that's one, two, not even two, bro. It's not even failed. It's super hard to pick the top. Like the chances of it going higher and then going lower are pretty probable. So I'm gonna be patient. I don't want to start like I already know these conditions are not good, so I'll size down, but I'm not trying to start on a loss for no reason, you know. at least give me myself a chance. On Monday. I need I need a week, bro. You know what I need? And I've already said this, and I'm not gonna get greedy for money. I'm not thinking about the money, but I'm thinking about the money. Like, I need one payout, bro. I need. It's. I just need one more nice payout. I've taken two very small payouts so far in my life, which I'm grateful for. I am very grateful for. But I'm saying is, if I get one more payout in the soon times, I feel like things will start flipping for me. You know, like I just need that boost. You know, I need like a result of all this work. That's all I need. But at least the Discord's popping. I gotta start getting some. I'm thinking about making like a role for like team to buy or like a group or something, but I don't know how I would like. I feel like most people would want to be a part of that, or like OGs or something. But then I don't want to like discombobulate everybody. Like not discombobulate. Like what's the word? Like segregation. Right? That's the word. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So instead, I'm gonna feed my chickens. Okay, it's almost 10:10. 10 a.m. open. It's important to mark actually, especially like this because in this case, if we can manipulate above, why do I never have a 10 a.m.? Like this. Yeah, I don't know if I like. I don't like how it looks. Red is red. So okay, let's see. 10 a.m. open. If we can manipulate above, take all time high, maybe a SMT inversion. Sure, I'll give a short at stabs. Wait, what did I just say? I'll give a stab at shorts. I'll give a stab at shorts. But yeah, this is. Maybe we can use this low to go higher. Let's see. No SMT there. It is a 2022 model. Uh, three failed PD arrays. We didn't even really manipulate above 10 a.m. I feel like I need to wait. I need to wait for it to go higher. Otherwise, if I'm taking a short here, it needs to manipulate that high and then displace lower. It just needs to. Like, it's nice to see that setup failed. Not bad on ES, but did the dollar tap in? No, the dollar's. Yeah, this is. I'm like you, bro. I have an obsession. Like I need to place a trade, bro. You know, there's only one thing to do. Shit, don't look at that. Yeah, hold on. I'm up. All right, all right. The dopamine. All right, we're TPing right here. One-on-one, quick one-on-one, quick one-on-one. It's chopping. Yeah, it's still chopping. I needed to take the high. For me personally, I needed to manipulate this high. 10 a.m. manipulation. 10 a.m. power of 3. Take all-time high. It doesn't have to take all-time high, but it does have to take this high at least. I need something. Oh no. All right, we're down on the demo. We're down on the demo. The paper trading. Why am I flipping? It's literally the same. Wait, why is this one so bright? The chart's way nicer, huh? Just a demo. I literally just entered for the dopamine, and it's not really satisfying me enough. All right, trading my stop. Trading my stop. That's smart. Because bro, like, not that I want to trade. How's it going, brother? Hold on, before anyone thinks I'm actually trading this. It's going good, bro. Pretty hard market condition right now. So I'm being very patient. New to the stream, welcome, brother. Welcome. I stream every day, 9:15 a.m. EST. So if you ever want to join, I'll be here same time, every trading day. Right now, I'm waiting for this. Like it needs to be sharp displacement. That's the only way I'll consider a trade. Hmm. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate that, bro. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer. Even better is if we can get a SMT right here. Oh, that would be good. That would make me a lot more inclined to take the trade. I might even make it a requirement. Let's see. At this point, I don't even need this wick, right? We have all-time high labeled, so the macro's over. All we have is 10 a.m. and a dream. Let's do red. The red SMT line goes crazy. All right, we got the inversion on the 1 minute on ES. Let's see if we can use that to go higher. Oh, if NQ is a weaker asset too, that's a gold. But like I said, I feel like all-time highs. Can you explain why we're looking for short right now? I'll tell you why. Because we are too far in a premium to consider longs. In my personal opinion. So this whole move just been up. Like I'm not gonna enter longs up here. If I were to hypothetically, if it would need to be in a discount, it would need to be in this green box. So I'm not even looking for longs at all until we're somewhere here. That's just like baseline foundation. The reason I'm looking for a short right now is because we haven't so hold on. Let me go to the 50-minute. I guess the searching the short profile got destroyed. I'm basically expecting price to retrace lower. So retrace or outright reverse lower. So I'm looking for signs of a reversal, which is the same signs of a retracement. So either if it wants to come back down to go back up again, which is what I think is gonna happen, or an outright reversal where this weekly candle that's forming right now takes the high of the week and then from there it goes bearish, like a Monday manipulation. is kind of what I'm expecting for the week. So I would need a lot of signs though, because like it's not that clear. It's not the most clear. It's always harder on a Monday, right? Because you don't have that much information on the weekly candle. But when it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you have information on the weekly candle, so it's possible. It's easier to read price. But if we get all these things coming together at the premium, yeah, I'm willing to risk money for that. You know, like that's the I'm willing to put up money for that trade. I'm okay if I lose a trade like that, but let's see. So far, it's not like it doesn't look like it's going a little bit higher. No SMT. Oh, GBP USD might stop me out actually. Hopefully not. It's not nice. Don't like that. Super choppy conditions, but what's the Euro USD doing? Whoa, Euro USD is literally just going lower. Why are they doing that? Why are they doing that? Oh, that sucks. No, I guess we'll see what happens there. Yeah, it's just super choppy now. We're basically just waiting. I'm expecting this weekly candle to be bearish. Like I'm expecting all that movement to get flipped. I don't know if these shorts are gonna present themselves. Not that clear. I think the weekly candle will flip bearish. Take previous week's high and manipulate. NGP is was taken down right now. You're targeting the buy side? No, no, no. I'll show you the trade I took. Hold on. On GBP USD. Whatever. So this is the trade I took. So I'm entered on the very higher time frame. So the weekly bearish fair value gap, we entered it, right? On the daily chart, we took out this high. That high formed a SMT with euro. And then we created a little small fair value gap. I saw this, and then I just entered a market order somewhere. Like this fluctuation doesn't matter to me because my stop loss is here and my take profits down here. So that's the idea of that trade. But looks like we might get stopped out. My stop loss is like above here, so we'll see. I'll enter again. As soon as we get stopped out, if we displace lower, I'm gonna re-enter again. So let's see how that plays out. So far, pretty choppy. Oh, we're moving. That's enough for me, to be honest. So took the high, took 10 a.m. That's really a smooth trade. Doesn't matter if you get stopped out. The idea is a good point. Yeah, I think that's a really good trade. I mean, it's working out on the euro. Like the euro has been going lower. If you compare the two. So I guess we'll see. We're just at the high of the consolidation anyway, so I'm not worried about getting stopped out, right? We're consolidating. We're at the high, marking out the bodies there, so that's no worry. Okay, so we manipulated above. If we're able to invert this, it's not the best trade, but I'll put a small risk on and I'll take this. Inversion plus market structure shift here. There's the SMT we talked about. We talked about it and it's there now. If we invert this, I'll give it a shot. Something like this. Yeah, let's see. It's so weak. Yeah, I'll take the inversion, to be honest. At least a retracement, like all this this is a huge liquidity void. Like I'm sure we have some type of retracement in this area. So even here, at least 50% of the range. So let's focus up here. Let's mark out 50%, which is decent. Just doesn't want to push. Yeah, you can view that as like very bullish, just very bullish. Focus on this old low. See this old high. My take profit would probably be this, something like that. Forget to take profit. This is equilibrium. We'll just mark this out. We'll manage the trade live if it gets put in. Yeah. No SMT now. This is basically the last thing. Unless we can like, not happening. It's just not happening right now. Let's see. We're like poking all-time highs. So at this point, I don't really care about the inversion. I care more about the break of this low now, because if we take all-time highs, I want to see it break below here. Then I'll just enter 2022 model. No SMT, but we did take the high. We're just kind of chasing it right now. Wow, look how that flipped on the GBP. What happened there? Just nice move, Lord. Okay, let's see. Are we really just not gonna poke all-time highs? I don't even know if I can take a short now. Like when we're that close. SMT's gone, yeah. See. I would hate for it to give me a setup now, because then I have to question it, you know? No SMT. I bet you there's one with YM. YM's probably doing like whatever the fuck it wants right now. Oh, looks like YM finally caught up. Nice to see. YM is also there, almost there. Just 20 points. ES is almost there and Q's almost there. At this point, man, dude, she consider the not the longs, but what's funny is like I feel like the second I enter longs, my ass is getting stopped out. You know? Like obviously not, but like anyway, something like this isn't too bad. Yeah, a nice little 1.5 internal soup. You can put your stop loss there if you want more R. Let's see. I'm not gonna take it, but let's. Oh, now I have to start considering things. Uh now I gotta start considering things. That might be a good idea, Poggy. There was an SMT here. Is there one with YM? Took a small loss. That's so stupid, bro. It literally starts going down right freaking when like this is like the only down movement that's happened. That's actually stupid. Getting off's not a bad idea. That wick is. If there was an SMT, I would consider this. Yeah, that makes sense. The long. There's no inversion to go long off. Yeah, it's not easy. The long I was considering. I don't know if you were looking, but I was thinking like just an internal soup like this. Oh shit. 1.5 R target all time high. Oh, sorry, it's more than 1.5 R. I was considering that. You could even enter now and put your stop loss there. Shouldn't come back down there, but it's not easy. It's not easy market conditions. That would have been a good trade, actually. Could even just TP at the high. It doesn't have to be all time high. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good trade. You managed to pull this off, and conditions like this, like I would have been very proud of myself. I saw it. I didn't take it. It's just not my trade, you know. That's not a part of my trading model. Up 200 pips on USD GPY. Yeah, I don't think I can take a trade, yo, like this. This is crazy. If we come up for the high and then at this point, nah, it's shitty. At this point, I feel like the only trade I saw today was that one. Just a nice little continuation internal soup. He needs some milk. No way we flipped back bullish. What is this? What's happening here on the 15-minute? Okay, besides the obvious intense ranging. Yeah, okay, GBP is not looking that good, I can't lie. AMD stock. Roku's at 59. Oh man, that sucks. Unlucky. That's some weekly manipulation. AMD stock's doing good. 0.3. Okay, let's go back to micronas. Okay. We get an SMT here with all-time highs. Maybe very tough for our IRL to IRL. Oh, nice. I didn't even see that. $10 on long. Good luck, brother. I hope it works out for you. Where's your entry? Just out of curiosity. Like, I just what price did you get filled at? I know there's not much to enter here. Oh, you're trying to ES inversion? Oh yeah, I see. That's nice. That's nice. That probably will play out, in my opinion. Honestly, I think it's good that you hopped on to the longs. I wish I took that trade right there. But like there's just not enough conviction. Like the only thing that makes me feel like that trade is gonna play out is we're so close to the drawn liquidity that that's it. That's literally it. That like I don't think we're gonna go that much lower before taking out the drawn liquidity. Like that's the only thing telling me that that trade is good. Which I don't know. Maybe that's enough. Hopefully the longs play out, brother. I honestly I think they will, even though it's super choppy. I feel like they should. And exactly, yeah, it makes sense in that sense. Um, no SMTs to be worried about. Hopefully it goes higher from here for you. You put a $10 risk. Wait, hold on. How's that even possible, bro? You said one, so one micro. Hold on, hold on. Mm, how did you put $10, bro? How? What? Oh, MES. Let me see how you. Oh, hold on, hold on. Let's just say you did this on that low on ES. You put it all the way down here. Oh, nice. I rate that, bro. W fucking risk management, bro. Well, at least we were able to recognize these shitty conditions, and we didn't end up. I don't know if you took any shorts, but I didn't take any shorts. I like that long. First $20 per second, 10 risk. Nice. Are you gonna fund it or personal? Or a combine? Target 2.25 for all time highs. Good for you, bro. You, good for you, bro. That's W as fuck. Yeah, these longs are still playing. You're gonna fund it? Fire, bro. So you don't have like the monthly thing to worry about. That's good. Take your time with it then, bro. There's literally no rush. I feel like something that happens is a lot of people get persuaded by others who like they're like, oh, got this payout, oh, this much each trade. Man, shut up. Like, just no. You don't even know. It happens. You in your own game, you know? You're in your own game. That's the dude. I'm telling you, I made myself two goals. One of them was keep the account, like don't blow it. The second one was 30 winning days. So far, we haven't lost the account. And it's been through it, bro. I'm telling you, this account has been in serious drawdown, serious upside, and then back to serious drawdown. This account has been through it, but it's still alive, bro. Still alive. And we've been profitable. Barely. The last 2 weeks have made it. When I say barely, I mean like we're on the edge of profitable and break even, but we're technically profitable. So far, since I got this account, I've been profitable. It was a lot better. But the last couple weeks I've been, I don't know, slump or the conditions are bad. Maybe I overthought some things. A lot of human error. I can say that for sure. Is this retracement ever gonna happen? At this point, maybe the 1050 1110 macro can carry me. I wouldn't be surprised by a 1020 high of day. True high of day. True day, high of day. But like that's just random. Come on. Bro, Maestro said I don't want to be a hindsight trader. What does that even mean, bro? EU? What do you mean EU? Okay, we took the high on GPP. Did we get stopped out there? Shouldn't have been stopped out there, but let's check. We're still in there. Back my face. Shouldn't have been stopped out there. The slippage I know with Forex. Oh, we did? That's so shitty. Okay. That's unlucky. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it should. How much percent risk you take on your funded account? On my 100K funded account, I usually risk $200 to $300. Recently it's been less, but usually I risk around $200. So how much percent is that? You have 3,000. Well, it depends how much drawdown you're in, realistically. But I risk 100 to 300 per trade. Usually never more. Like 300 on a really good setup. Usually around 150 to 200. Um, as for percent, it's like I calculate that off my original $3,000. So just under 10%, like 7%, 6%. It's like 6.7, around 6-7% on average. So I'd have to lose like 12 in a row, which I've never done yet so far. So that's good. All right, we took the high. Potential SMT at all-time highs. We're looking at 1050 macro here. Let's see if we can get this reversal or retracement, either or. Chasing the shorts is not good, but let's see if our model can form. So 6% is your answer. That's how much I risk. Bro, this is 3 points on yes. Why does it look like it's so far away? Just look at all-time high is literally 3 points away. Okay, bam, all-time high taken. Short, full port short. I'm joking. We do have an SMT formation at the highs right now. Brand Q all-time high. And ES is just, oh yeah, you took it at ES. I mean, eh? Potential body right there. I know you got sad when that candle flipped to bearish, bro. I would be. Yeah, there's SMT at the high, but like, okay, hold on. How far can I go back to mark out this SMT? Oh, there it is. Just gonna keep my stone face, yes sir. Stone face killer. I'm interested in 50% right here. We get a break below this low. I'll give it a shot at 1050 macro. Basically waited the whole day for this. Let's see if it forms. Pretty much the last chance. If it doesn't form 1050 to 1110, right? We have these equal lows. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. All right, let's see what happens. Okay. Let's go. Let's mark out equilibrium. Last week was shitty for me. Me too, man. While we are trying to clear the funded account, how much percent risk would you suggest? Clear the funded. Do you mean like pass the challenge? Honestly, I would recommend more risk on a combine account, like a challenge account. I'd recommend like 10% to 15%. So a 50K account, I would look to risk like 250. 100K account risk like 300 to 400. It depends on your win rate too, for sure. Like you have to know your win rate. If you're winning like one in every 6 trades, you can't really be risking like, it depends on your win rate for sure, but I don't like personally having a combine account for so long. Like I don't like that. So I risk more on those accounts, and then once I'm funded, I drop my risk. Because there's also a monthly fee. Like you don't want to stick around with a combine account for so long, right? The monthly is not that expensive. It's mostly just the activation fee that's expensive. Because there's usually deals. Like TopStep X has like $19 50K account right now. Just up your risk. If you lose, if you lose because you upped your risk, but you still took good trades, it happens. Just it's $19. If you have the money, just get another account and try again. That's just how I see it, though. Let's see if 1050 macro can deliver anything. Right, we have one, two, three swings, uh, three swing highs right there. So let's see what we can do. I'll keep an eye out on GBP as well. Curious. I don't get why euros like are they inversely correlated? Are they inversely correlated? Yo, JP, is Euro USD and GBP USD inversely correlated? They look inversely correlated as hell. Anyway, I'm looking for a trade at 1050 to 1110. See if it forms. If not, this is the last chance for a trade. I'm going very low risk. If I do take one, what's up, JP? I'm guessing if you caught those, bro. If you like the fact somebody sometimes, but don't quote me on this. You're good. It's apparently someone caught longs like this, bro, off that sweep. What? You know what you could have done though? Entering off this order block would have been. That's a valid entry in my opinion. Now that's a good entry. Inversion plus order block. How did I not see that actually? Yeah. That's a hard one to catch, bro. Like, you want to be patient. Right? You really can be at 9:32. It's been 2 minutes. It's a hard one. Hydro cut those longs. How, bro? The breaker? No. No retracement. That's tough. That's tough, bro. Currently SMT at the high. Well, not really SMT at the highs actually. It hasn't taken all-time high yet. Like, yo, catching those longs? How? Like, what? Like, what is this, bro? Like, just a nice, clean move. Taking up, fuck all these PD arrays, bro. All of them. Straight to all-time highs. Bro, we had, like, no down close candles. On the 5 minute, we had one down close candle to all-time high. And didn't even retrace. That's crazy, bro. That's indeed crazy. All right, let's see. Can we get a delivery here at 10:50? Can I get a 10:50 delivery? Can I get a break below the low? Can I get a break below the low? This low that took the high. One, two, one liquidity sweep, two liquidity sweep, three liquidity sweep, three. What is that? Three draws or something? ICT calls that or something. I know you know what I'm talking about. Give me a fair value gap. Give me a displacement. I will take it with low risk. Like a big body candle. More. No, it's got to be more. There is an inversion there. I will say that. I need the. At least I need the change in state and delivery. No, nothing, 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 nothing. See if we can put a short-term high lower than this one, and then break lower. That's my last. That is genuinely my last thing I'll look for. If we can put a short-term high lower, so like a failure swing, and then break. That candle did flip bearish. Don't take that candle's high, and I'll consider it. Missed out on one position, now it's waiting for a short. You missed out on the long. Hard conditions too, honestly. Yeah, me too. I'm looking for it, bro. Break below this low. I'll take. Market structure shifts here. Yeah. There's a market structure shift there, the order block, the inversion. It's so shitty. I need to close below that candle. Just on your evals. Yeah, I should do that actually. Just on the evals. I'll go for it with the evals. I'll go for it, I think. With 5. Forgot I had those. All right. I'll show you guys because I have it up here. So on the evals, stop loss at the high. Sell right there. Actually, let's do 4 and then a potential runner, maybe for this fair value gap or something. 3 here, actually. Something like that. Yeah, I've seen cleaner setups, but we'll take the inversion. Nice push so far. I totally forgot I had these evals, bro. Thank you for reminding me. I'm gonna lower my risk already. All right. Risk lowered. 5 micros short here. So let's see what we can get. Nice fair value gap potentially forming right now. Hopefully it forms. Dude, what the hell's going on here? I can't like put a straight line. Yep. Nice fair value gap. We got the order block we wanted. We got everything we wanted there. So I want to know how many points is that? 22. A small amount of points. What's my risk? 10. Nice push. Nice push. Would I enter off this on my full account? Just a full 2R. Yeah, I'll do it. If we get filled, I'll take it. Nice little 2R, 5 micros. If we get filled, we'll take it. If it keeps going lower, we're gonna close this. We'll probably close the position at 11:10 as well. I'm not gonna do this on my main. My main. Let's just let this run. Rack up the P&L for our accounts. There should be a tab here. Add components. Okay, so we're getting a nice run here. Yo, JP with the fucking fourth quarter clutch, bro. Guy told me to come in here and reminded me that I had a freaking eval that I need to pass. So my fucking hero. Alright, put in my stop loss here. Fair value gap high. We're pretty much break even on a trade like this. Is there any way to change the color of this thing, bro? Because like, whatever. Alright, the bulk of our positions ticked off at this low. Let's see if we can get, it's almost at take profit there. Oh, right there, 60% of the position's off. Shoot, let me keep an eye out on ES. The fuck is ES doing? It's not even, hasn't even moved yet. Nice. All right, let's see. We're getting a retracement now. So our stop loss is lowered. Next place, we're taking profit. See if we can get this OB formation. Close below that low. Should get a nice push lower here. Hopefully not too many up close candles. Just low resistance liquidity. Well, we're trading high resistance, but let's see. I think I want to break even on this. Yeah, let's break even on this. Honestly, I don't think I can afford. I'm sorry, I can afford it. 3 times 20 is 80, is $40. Yeah, okay, we'll keep it here. Actually, we'll keep it there. It's fine. What's OTE of? Whoa. Our stop loss is literally OTE, but let's see. Look at the 3 minute. 3 minute fair value gaps right here. Stop loss is 3 minute FEG. Oh, let's see. $11.03. If we invert this, I'll probably close the position. I'll probably just close. I'll just keep my stop loss at break even there. I'm not gonna be reviewing this. Man, if it plays out, I'll review it. Yes. No, because I didn't take it on my 100K, so we'll just leave it like this. Let's see. This can play out. We just fell short of that high. That's a nice body forming right now. The 140 USD. These are two combined accounts that I'm trading on that I'm trying to get past the nice body forming right now. Nice candle flip there. It looks like ES hasn't even moved. These are very low probability conditions, to be honest, when the markets are not in sync like this. So we're already break even, which is good. And just start taking off some lows. We're just a little bit better than break even, so let's see. We start displacing this high, I'll probably close my position. We wick that imbalance. Small, but it's there. Alright, let's see how this plays. Same, yeah. Not about to lose. Just gonna start taking out some of these lows. Keep a runner. The nice body. It's not a win on the funded, but we'll take it. We will take it. Nice solid candle forming right there. We didn't take that low, right? Gonna tease me like this. Let's just TP this. It's 11:08. We put in another high. I'm gonna trail my stop here. I don't want to be holding on to this all day. Be trading back up here. Just want to see a run lower now. My last TP. So that's low. That's really low, really low. Okay, let's see what happens here. See if we can use this candle. To go lower. I don't wanna lose control. And I'm fine. Go. And so tired. Like we're disrespecting that order block. Yep, position might get closed here. Totally fine with get to go. Whole life, I don't wanna lose control. Yeah, I'm fighting it out. Let go. 11:10 now, so I'm looking to close this position. Deal with this. Let's see. We might get stopped out here. You do understand? I just want to leave, bro. No, I feel like it can totally stop me out and keep going. I'm happy with it, bro. I took 5 micros anyway. Yo, how many contracts did you trade? I feel like I should have went more. If I had more than 5 micros, but like I'm trying to pass as funded, it's the difference between like $100 and so. But no, I know I could definitely go up and take that high and keep playing. Probably will at this point. Might sweep it and go. Pay per account. Micros or minis? Minis would be crazy, bro. I'm assuming you mean micros. We tapped into the 1 minute bullish fair value gap. Let's see if we can inverse it. That'd be great. Otherwise, it'll probably stop me and then maybe go lower from there. Can't find a nice place to put my stop. This looks like we might inverse it. I'll put my stop loss here. The thing is, like, there's an imbalance there. Like, it doesn't really make sense. I'm either break even or the thing is about my stop loss here is like, if it's gonna retrace, I can't think of a place to put it that like OTE's all the way up here. I'm not about to be less than break even, bro. You know? Like I'm not about to lose on this trade. So I don't even know where I'd put my stop loss. But we already failed to take that high. So like if it's gonna come up, it could come up into this imbalance or this imbalance. It could come up into OTE. Could retrace back into this original order block. But anyway, it doesn't look like that's happening anymore. Looks like we're inversing this, so. Intermediate term high now. Long term high, intermediate term high, short term high, short term high. Advanced market structure. Technically, the inversion didn't happen yet. But I don't wanna lose. And if somebody, oh, body, body. All right, looks like the majority of our position will be taken off here. Now I'm getting greedy. Like I'm getting greedy thoughts. I'm getting greedy thoughts. I'm like, should I lower this? If it's gonna body all the way down here, it's probably gonna body lower. It's not just gonna body and close, but maybe it will. Don't do that. No, don't do that. Let's let's close this. 3 positions here. Don't make me raise it. Don't do that. 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 Alright. 3 positions off. Wait, what the hell is this? Why am I 8 positions short right now? What did I just do? Wait, wait, what just happened? I'm genuinely confused. I was trying to take profits. Um, I'm gonna. I'm getting greedy. Let's see if we flip bullish, then I'm gonna close as soon as it flips bullish. But if it just keeps displacing, what happened? I tried taking profits and I ended up adding 3 contracts short. Adding 3 contracts short. I'm gonna close my position there. Just take the full profits. See if this could probably use this to go lower. Let's see how this plays. If it starts going lower, I'm gonna add another 2 micro tight stop. Yeah. Very tight stop loss on that, and I'm gonna. Yeah, might just stop me out here. Let's see. But very, like, literally 4 tick stop loss for a reason. I guess I'll just go with like. So how do I close this position? Stop sell, right? No, it's limit buy. Wait, stop sell or limit buy? I actually don't know, bro. It's limit buy, isn't it? Shit, I don't know. I guess let me test it out. Hold on. Let me go on trading view, put in a paper order, and figure out what the hell it's fucking called. If you put a stop loss, what is this? I gotta put a limit order. Man, fuck this. Okay, I got stopped out there. Alright, we're up. We'll take it. We're up. I'm closing this shit. But what is this shit called? Hold on. Limit order 5. I have a 5. Why does it say the money here? I wanna know what's the order called. Do I have to get filled? This says the money. Stop loss. It just says stop loss and take profit. Yeah, I don't understand. GBP USD going lower. Kind of. Well, I'm definitely done for the day. We'll take it. We will take it. So, small win. On the challenge account. Oh. Yeah, we'll take it. Well, anyone who came to stream, I appreciate you coming. We'll be back tomorrow. Probably looking for shorts tomorrow, depending how we close today. So, not too much bias analysis to do. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. EST. Peace.